Okay guys, here's how you get Word on all your computers. So I can have Campus Live. Okay, go to Campus Live, ITS, scroll down to Technical Training, scroll here, where is it? Go to Microsoft Office, scroll, get this even if you're, I know we're so close to the end, click right here, okay, email address, that would be like this. Started, and the rest is fairly self-explanatory. Old computer, so it's like the old Forge. And then you just answer the questions. Here's would be I am a student. You would sign in, and you can get Office 365 Education for free. Okay?